In this episode, we will talk about new upcoming DJI Air 3 latest leaks and release date. These leaks indicate that a replacement for the Air 2S won't include a 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is major news. We are given two 1.3-inch sensors with various focal lengths as an option. The other is a 3x medium telephoto camera, while the first is a wide-angle camera. Both cameras should provide up to 4K 60fps HDR video and 48MP still images. The highest video they need is 4K at 100. Additionally, both cameras will offer 2.7K vertical shooting for simple social media sharing. The two cameras will allegedly offer 10-bit D-Log-M and 10-bit HLG color settings, according to other leaks. While the 10-bit HLG mode can provide a larger dynamic range, providing better image results without color grading. The former helps keep more highlight and shadow information for increased editing flexibility. Another thing to be aware of is that thanks to improved video transmission technology, Air 3 will have a maximum flying time of 46 minutes and a better range. Leaks suggest a 20 kilometers maximum range, improved stability, and a 1080 60fps live feed video. A clever new battery charging hub that claims to be able to transfer power from one battery to another is also available. To transfer the remaining power from several batteries to the battery with the most remaining power, you only need to press and hold the function button, according to the specs that have leaked online. In cases where there are few charging choices, you could get a battery that is more fully charged. As far as of the Air 3's flying safety, the omnidirectional obstacle sensing drone uses APAS 5.0 for increased security, enabling anybody to fly with confidence. The drone also has the standard selection of intelligent flight features such as focus track, quick shots, master shots, night mode, hyperlapse, slow motion, and smart photo 3.0. In the last, if we talk about release date, unverified rumors state that the DJI Air 3 should be available in late June or early July 2023. So that's all for today's episode. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you liked our video for more updates in the future.